Boom! Our trading was completed successfully. Wow, friends, our idea is over. We were able to achieve. Greeting to all. This is Naresh. If you want to leave your tired job and move on the independent earning, then this is a video for you. You will tell you about strategies that will help you break out the routine and start earning a serious money. Don't miss the chance to change your life. Watch to end and I will show you my results in trading. Do you want to learn more trading and access grateful materials? Then take a look in my Telegram channel. There was a fine bonuses of working strategies and making interesting information. Don't miss the opportunity. Follow the link and join our community. By the way, I want to remind you that there is a lot of valuable information on my previous videos. Take a look, there is learning more about other strategies. Today, I will show you how to use a MACD indicator for prohibitable trading. The MACD is a combination two moving average and the histogram of showing the strategies of the trading. The MACD is across the signals of the bottom and to top. It is the buying signals for top to bottom and the seller signals. This is the indicator work exceptionally well on a trade movement. Now we are going to setting and see how it's work real transactions. In order for your strategies to work, you need to set the same settings as I in mine. First, we put a type candles for a time frame 30 minutes. Then turn on the indicator MACD. You can see the settings of these indicators on the screen. Well, we set the CAD and CHF currency pair. The transaction time is 1 minute. Now let's move on the transactions. Let's start our trading. Friends, I start with amount $100. I open a deal for a rising. The MACD indicator shows the clear signals for a growth. The line, interest, and the histogram confirms the up trade. I see that the market is finding support and this is a great moment to enter. Congratulations for successful the deal. We were able to increase our balance to $192. This strategy really works. So let's move on. The second deal will be worth $152 and I open the trade for an increasing based on the indicator signals. We see that the MACD line has crossed and histogram shows the positive value, which indicates the continuity of the uptrade. Looking for a reliable trading platform? You are lucky. I want to share with you amazing pocket options. It's not just a platform. Your path to financial increase and success, fast withdrawals and transparent, successful high profit making as an idea. Place an investment to the starting, working and personally trust this platform as an ready to share my experience. Join my Telegram channel. I receive your bonuses. Stay up and the deal is the last news that they learn about the best strategies for successful trading. Boom! Our trading was completed successfully and the balance is now $331. It's just incredible. We keep moving upward. Here, we will finish a line of testing my new strategies. We are conducting our analyzing and looking for enter point. I see how our chat is not going to get over their recusation. The indicator shows the negative movements. So we open a downside deals in the amount $331. Wow, friends, our idea is over. We were able to achieve our cheers goal of $636. That is the result. How would have to be thought that simple strategies could be such a result. If you want to know how to work, please stay like up and stay with me, with us, and I have a lot more useful content and unique strategies for you in the following videos. You want to become a successful trader? Don't miss your chance. Check the reviews and make sure it's real. Follow the link on the description and join community. Let's earn money together.